Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a to-do list in Thunkable. We will start by designing the user interface, which is the first crucial step for any application. You will learn to add an input text component for typing new tasks and a button to add them. We will also prepare a display area for your list items. This initial setup lays the groundwork for a functional and user-friendly application, ensuring a smooth start to your project. Now let's bring our Add button to life. When a user types a task and clicks this button, we will capture that input. The task will then be added to a list variable, acting as our temporary storage. Immediately afterward, the application's display will refresh, showing the new item. This ensures users see their tasks appear in real time, providing instant feedback. With tasks being added, the next step is to display them effectively. We will utilize a list viewer component to present all your to-do items in an organized manner. Furthermore, we will implement functionality allowing users to easily delete tasks they have completed or no longer need. This ensures your list remains tidy and relevant, with the data source updating automatically. To make your to-do list even more robust, consider adding advanced features. You could implement options to mark tasks as complete or even edit existing entries. For long-term use, integrate persistent storage, like local storage, so tasks remain even after closing the app. Thunkable offers many components to explore, allowing you to continually enhance your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.